Hello ladies and gents, welcome to another video. This week we are going to introduce you into Zaper Central and Bland AI and how to work them together, and then we'll send a prank call to a friend. Alright, let's get straight into it. Okay, so in the description below you'll find this link, and then just scroll down until you find Try Central for free. You'll get a page that looks like this, and if this is the first time you've been on here, you might have to log in with a Gmail or an email, and then just going to click new bot, and what this does is bring it to the same stage of where you are. So we should have a fresh new page that looks like this. So be hi, whatever your username is, and then in Zaper Central we have three main things that we'll be using. One is the behaviors, and you can click on them below here. Instant actions, or just actions, and you can set them up here. And you can also put in data sources, and these are pretty cool. You can even put in your Notion, your Google Sheets, or your Airtable. It'll update it automatically for you. It is probably the best program to see to analyze a big Excel sheet full of numbers. Let's call this our prank call bot. Okay. So the behaviors that we will set are just at the bottom here. So go and create behavior. And the instructions are sort of like the prompts. So in the prompt, we tell it what to do. So what we want it to do is we want it to trigger this behavior. So I like to use the word trigger. So trigger, and this, because of this setting right here. When I type the word call. Now I'm using the word call because I tested it just a second ago and it didn't like prank call. So I'm just going to say call. And then the trigger that we'll have is when I message the bot. So, and the keyword will be call. And then add the trigger. Just press on. Trigger when I type the word call, and it will trigger because we've put the key phrase at the bottom there. Now the action that we'll add is we'll get Bland. So we're going to hook up Zaper Central with Bland. And if you're not sure what Bland AI is, I'm actually going to go into it right now and just show you what it is really before we dive any more into it. So here is Bland. And Bland is an AI voice platform, and you can log in. I'm just going to log in at the top right here. And what it'll probably do for me is it'll send me through to my login screen already, because I've already got my number there hooked up. Or not. So I've already signed up, but what you would need to do is put in your name, last name, email, then put your number in. Yeah, so you just log in. I put my number in, get the code. Obviously I will blur all this out to great. Now we've logged in, and you have a bunch of options in Bland. So you can send a phone call. When you click on this, it takes you to a page where at the top you'll have the number you want to call. This is where the prompt goes. So this is actually what we will send from Zaper Central to here. And to be honest, guys, you could just skip straight to Bland AI and just do everything from here. Yeah, I want to show you the two platforms working together instead of separately. You can play around with all the voices here. And the credits that you have at the bottom. So I've got 1 credit left. I think when you join, I'm pretty sure you have 5 credits. I might be wrong with that. I joined up with Bland a while back. And yeah, essentially what you do is you prompt, you type whatever in here, type the number in, send a call, and it will call the person with whatever prompt you gave it to. So what we'll do is we'll go back into Zaper Central, because now we've logged into Blend AI. Okay, so now what we should be able to do now is click on Blend AI, send a phone call. And that was a problem loading action info, and this is because we are not connected yet. So what you do is you right click on the gear, connect a new connection. You'll go back into Blend. Let's find our, so to find your API key, go at the bottom left where your username is. Billing details, account details, API keys. You click on that. Profile, API key, and then just copy that. And then paste it into, this here. Again, have to blur this out. And Henryk. And yes, continue to Blend AI. Just refresh connection list. So I did a little bit behind the scenes here. What I had to do was to delete my action. So what I did is I went into here and I deleted the action, and I'm just re-adding in after I've connected up with my Blend. For some reason it wasn't working for me, so that just helped me fix it. Now let's leave that phone number, set a specific field here, and I'm just going to put in my number in. So what we've done so far is put in our phone number for the task, leave it as have AI generate a value for this field, and that's what what's going to be put in from our instructions. Reduce latency, say true, so just response faster. Have AI generate a value for our voice, request data, do not include a value for this field. Answering machine detection, just say use default. With a webhook, we definitely want it to do hard work for us. Transfer phone, we do not want to transfer. Can we set it to no? We go false. Okay, I'm just going to say do not include a value for this field. Record. False. Wait for greeting. Yeah, so we want it to, like when I call someone, I want it to go say hello, and then we give them the joke. Set a specific value, true. That might be interesting. Leave the language as is. Max duration, that'd be cool, but we'll just shut it off for now. Dynamic data, we don't want to collect any at the moment. So let's go, I think we had enhanced, turbo, and base. So let's go enhanced. We want it to be pretty creative, so let's go 0.7. And let's go add action. All right, and then now what we've got to do is type in the action followed by the what it's actually called. So it is called a Blend AI send phone call. So action and AI send phone call. And what we wanted to do is to this phone number, we want the prompt to get sent through the task. See, that's the only asterisk that we actually have this. So we have to send this through, and the task is actually the prompt here. So we actually need to send through the task that's going to be sent to Blend. And this task is actually going to be the prompt itself in Blend. Okay, so let's go cancel. And then the task, you are a prank caller. Call my friend Bob and tell him a your mama joke. And that's what we'll now test and see if that works, and see if Zaper Central can actually work with Bland AI. Alright, so I'm going to close that and then type in call. That's the trigger that we set up. Let's go into, on the left, like opens up the right hand side options, actually showing us, and I should be getting a phone call now from Bland. Hello, this is Bob.
Hey Bob, ready for a laugh? Here's a classic for you.
Alright, give me the classic.
Okay, here goes. Yo mama so fat when she fell I didn't laugh, but the sidewalk cracked up. Just kidding around, Bob. This is just a friendly prank call. How's it going?
Yeah, good bro. That was pretty funny. You cracked me up.
I'm glad you enjoyed the joke, Bob. Well, that's all I got. Have a great rest of your day.
Alright. Oh, just hang up on me. I got hung up on by AI. There you go. But there you go, guys. You've got a connection between Zaper Central, Bland AI. Zaper Central is great. We're actually going to make a new video where I'll show you how to make an instant proposal system using PandaDocs, Tally.io, and Zaper Central, so that when you're on a call with someone, you can straight away get a proposal sent through your to your warm client or to the lead that you're talking to on the phone, even before the phone call finishes. So that's what we'll be looking into next. I'm thinking of taking on a couple students. And if you're an agency owner and you're looking to get started, you're lost, overwhelmed, and not really sure where to start, what platform to use, or how to use them, I can help you with VoiceFlow, Zapier, Make, Relevance AI, Zaper Central, Bland AI, Zapier, Airtable, all those kinds of cool things. I can help you out with those and connect them up together. Send me a message through Discord or book a Calendly link with me, and I'm sure we can work something out. All right, thank you very much, and signing out.